When a mighty refrigerator stands like a stone monolith, or a bulky washing machine sits like an immovable fortress, the Yuli 3DH Extendable Washing Machine Base emerges as the key to a hidden door, offering effortless mobility and unparalleled strength. This second-generation appliance roller system is a quiet revolution, a whisper of convenience in a world of heavy lifting. It's built like a bridge, with a robust and adjustable frame that can stretch up to 32 inches. And so it can accommodate a vast array of household appliances, from the most expansive dryers to the most compact mini-fridges. The powerful wheels, crafted from durable materials, glide across floors like silent ships on a calm sea, leaving no trace behind. Therefore, the Yuli 3DH Appliance Rollers become a trusty steed, carrying your heaviest burdens with grace and ease. And they ensure that rearranging your space is no longer a monumental task but a simple, elegant dance. Indeed, its very design speaks of freedom, promising to liberate you from the tyranny of stationary objects. Moreover, the functionality of the Yuli 3DH Extendable Washing Machine Base is a testament to thoughtful engineering, transforming a chore into a seamless operation. Imagine a world where cleaning behind the dryer is as simple as pulling a lever, where a refrigerator can be moved for a deep scrub without the strain of 100 pounds of weight. Consequently, this mobile base is not merely an accessory but a partner in maintaining a pristine and flexible home. Its locking mechanisms, which are secure and intuitive, act like an anchor, holding your appliance firmly in place whenever you are not in motion. And since it is extendable, it can adapt to various sizes, making it a versatile tool for any home or apartment. Hence, the Yuli 3DH Extendable Washing Machine Base is more than just a piece of hardware. It is a promise of a cleaner, more organized life, a foundation upon which a more fluid and manageable home is built. Ultimately, it brings the future of home maintenance to your doorstep. Finally, the aesthetic of the Yuli 3DH Extendable Washing Machine Base is as refined as its function. Finished in a clean, crisp white, it blends seamlessly with the design of most modern appliances, and it maintains a low profile that doesn't detract from the overall look of your space. As a result, it is both a workhorse and a quiet companion, diligently serving its purpose without calling attention to itself. Furthermore, it is incredibly easy to assemble and use, so it requires no special tools or advanced knowledge. It is ready to roll right out of the box, making it accessible to anyone who needs a helping hand with their heavy appliances. In conclusion, the Yuli 3DH Appliance Rollers are a small yet mighty innovation, a silver lining on the cloud of household chores. It's a tool that provides both peace of mind and the practical ability to command the space you live in, turning the impossible into the routine and the difficult into the simple. Pros: easy to install, makes moving them a breeze, helps make it easier to move to clean, smooth and durable. Pretty heavy duty, smooth movement, make moving the machine out very easy. Made install easy, has not moved when the unit is running, sits very secure, appears to be strong enough, has the brake, came with some little rubber chocks, can secure them to the bottom, do not scratch the floor. Cons: tends to slide off, cannot turn the appliance, difficult to move over bumps, can't be used under cabinets, too narrow for some appliances. Features: second generation design, easily move appliances, suitable for washing machines, works with dryers, moves refrigerators, can be used for furniture. White color, mobile base. The Yuli 3DH Appliance Rollers are heavy-duty, extendable rollers designed to easily move appliances and furniture. The second-generation design, which is white in color, is suitable for moving a variety of large items, including washing machines, dryers, refrigerators, and furniture. This mobile base has a maximum extendable length of 32 inches, making it a versatile tool for rearranging heavy objects. The Yuli 3DH Appliance Rollers are heavy-duty, extendable rollers designed to make moving heavy appliances like washing machines, dryers, refrigerators, and furniture easy. They are simple to install and come with rubber chocks and a brake for secure placement, ensuring the appliance does not move during operation. The rollers are praised for their smooth movement and durability, making it easy to pull appliances out for cleaning without scratching the floor. However, some users note that the rollers can slide off, are difficult to move over bumps, and may be too narrow for certain appliances. They also cannot be used to turn appliances or be placed under cabinets.